ya Oriental, Elegantal, Versatile Grows na wigo na Versatile Mat. MRM ni kumabwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman, Jinko na wigo web design. Mabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone ya Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na wigo na Green. Ubutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho wakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom. Onyari kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo guchani warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom. Wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange bakere simgwetera sechi namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Kipi kinachokusababisha ukose imani na mimi?
Hivyo vitendo vyako.
Kwa hiyo ndio maana umeamua kunificha kama mkeo anaumwa.
Unasemaje? Nilichokuambia nimemaanisha.
Mimi ninachotaka ni kupona kwa mdogo wangu na si vinginevyo. Kwa hiyo shemeji, tekeleza ulichoambiwa.
Shemeji, yaani mimi kuongeza mke wa pili ndio tiba ili mke wangu aweze kupona? Sasa hii ni dawa au ni masharti? Mimi sikutaki kukuoa wewe kwa sababu ya kufanya mapenzi. Lengo la mimi kukuoa wewe ili kumponya mke wangu ambaye ni mgonjwa.
Una uhakika ukinioa mke wako atapona? Na asipopona je?
Werero bya humwanjwa omo ligerali letukalikali rero lia Jumanne idarige 29 omutinyino yokane omwaka wechiri bubere na 25 na manga gante kwate ka chinsemo gusina manganya kabaga kole ka chinsemo gasito kumanyigwa huna ekamati ya senate liko ligira mangana ndemero niyo yaringe asorongorwa gusi anamone siyagania ngosonsora engana yaberege gusugumwa ase kagetambe goika emyaka 53 etarekera kanyali chibo ikarabonega koneso gojakiro mwanjo murigereri omwaka bwechiri bubere na 23 omusaja omesirieta Nelson Momanyi Ondita niganya toko bakobeko biara kobwatekana amono gotebekana niganya toko ba gaokagerwa goita abana baye babire abanya toko bagotoka abaitire bale ase ensemo getege somugondo kwende litukuliara nigo ekegamba Kenya kwa ikurukonya okona chabuna Nelson Momanyi Ondita taliero nyatoko bagoita abana baye girolia kemumma amo na Michelle na obosaidi niko bwanya toko kubura ona emyanda mango mwanju murige nali akogenderera sinsemo kolende seri tukulia lero gatia na kwariganira senjera yobukira
Ebigotenare gintu giatite buna chigosoria gatonoiga karenka kare kile karukuwa
Victoria Nyang'au oyubwate oburwaire bwa kansa kobori gosirwa ilianyore obobwenia
kwamba taasisi ya NLC ni imezembea kwa sababu kama angetatua jambo kama hili sisi kama kamati ya Seneti hatungefaa kuhapa.
Kamati yechindemero ya Seneti komera na asomo chobosongo igoro yekina kiboremo obobwerire emyaka 53 botaragayanwa.
We are mournful. We are mournful. Mr. Speaker, we are mournful. Women, we are miserable.
Abajumbe beji county gose abaguman rep nigo banyaka bakwe murungania kubwatakana amono kuna chogosoko keigwa wekiganja kia NGAF gose ngaf. Mwanjo muligerelia kionga chinsabire toko chaka nagetam kutna roboti ase kamati yechindemero kurwa ase bunge ya Senate yanyaka bagabikirana ase omochi obosongo sabanyaka bakora egeikaro nabamenyi abo bwato kungusana na amo na serikali kubwatakana amo nendemero yabo kungusana kwanyaka bagokobera bosibwe bugambiro ase egeka kimyaka 53 gwikabono kolengana no mo Senator Muranga James Kamau nigo banyarakoba abagotabuna serikali gose engenjonero serikali bantu komuke bitambukiro na kwereneria abamenyi chindemiro chiribanyatuka bakurwa atchinjira ao boigo niganyara kabaga komochia ekiombegerikia National Land Commission asogotakora emiremo yabo ikiranu nga onyandigia akorete emiremo yabo ikiranu kunanga Senator Bumbaga ne irigoika ase orogongorwa gusigo tekorigereria nganeyo munagotumanye mulikito Daniel Ontiri.
Your Vice Chair.
Nasensemo ya Getenga yegotoka Kitutu Central ase bunge ya Kitutu cha South County ya Kisii ase komiti ya Senate ya mangana ya muremo nebinto bitonchukanine yekoragwa no Senator we county ya Kirinyaga Kamau Murango musubati homo Senator Juu Nyutu we county ya Murang'a gati yabande yaligania ikaro nabamenyi bensemeyo asogotema kuligeri chibu asekina kya malemo asabamenyi bensemeyo abo banganyitigwe kurwa sensemiga umwaka bwelibwemo chimikyanda na 45
kwali environment
okunganyigwa ko bamenyi bensemiga nigo gwakolegete emyaka 53 yaitire Nechinga kicho serikali nigo yarenge nekirenga agiko yatumika hasobolemi na megelio egati yechisababu chinde chinyinge nakorengana neri chiko serikali kiyakonganyire kuruwa kwao asokugania gutumiko bolemo nigo ekoligeria angao yakonganya gochiaroro gose kugwakana gose compensation ekyo egotebekana geta ikirenetiwe ekyo kireta bamenye bensemiga goso ekina gwetera so mwakilishi obo Philip Achiki nasigi kalikiga begerera nagotabuna kuruwa chinga kicho babeire bagwetera makongu.
There is a lot of expectations. Watu hawana mashamba. We are staying in the river banks. We don't have anything. Let's hope what will guide you make a good judgment. Give us land, if I can say. Give us something so that our children do not die from hunger.
Magaga yigikaro kya mabolio na machibo egati ya waseneta baigabe kamiti ya maremo na bamenyange chinsa ibere. Nigono nyiraho bakwanira ukogania kwa bamenya baiga kurenirigwa amarema bogose gwakanwa asekiribuna ne yakiyabo.
Ningetaka niseme ya kwamba taasisi ya NLC ni imezembea kwa sababu kama angetatua jambo kama hili sisi kama kamati ya Seneti hatungefaa kuhapa. Uzuri ni kwamba tuko na uwezo wa kuita idara na nyenzo za serikali. Tumechukua nakala na stakabadhi zote ambazo zinahusika na ombi ambalo liletwa katika mbele ya kamati ya Seneti. Tutakuja kulivalia njua na kutathmini ni vipi tunaweza litatua ili mwananchi aweze kufaidika, kwa sababu shamba ni za serikali sio la mtu binafsi, kwa sababu sahihi Kalo ni shirika ambalo liko katika wizara ya ukulima. Mambo kama haya yanapofika, sisi kama Seneti lazima tuchunge maslahi ya wananchi, kwa sababu hata Waswahili husema wanyonge wanyonge na haki yao uwape.
So we are calling upon the government, even as we do our job as a committee, to
act with speed, to come and see to it that these people have been given alternative land because we do not want to address disasters. We can prevent a disaster because these are disasters in waiting.
Asensemende ni gobamenta buna inchira abamenyi bensemega yagetenga bamenyete nigikega gekubeka afya yabasa kongo ego kugania nkororo kwa bisi ya mangana ya maremo National Land Commission NLC wosiga sigira umochando iga na koligia lichibo limorioka.
As usual, we are representative of the people, and we are very keen to ensure that we address the issues that have arisen today.
Korengana nechira chia seneta baiga chinse moibire nigo chibwenete goikia masakarabo hasi chiabisi hasi kage chikibire chirebosio nechinkwa nechiga gokorwa na koera inse yemetienyebere nkorobotheregeta seni kiagetembe kurega se county ya Kisii letrene ngoroko Daniel Muntiri
na umwanjo muligereri ritukolia lero asentunde ndangani kegima umuwasiri omokoro inse ya serikali ya umuske Uhuru Kenyatta muske Fred Okengo Matiang'i daktari niganya kabaga kororekana asi banyarka bakomirana negati yabamiriri bande be serikali asebe egose asegotebekana buna nigemirobuli egenderete elikwane kimnango kibali kubwatirana namuno asobo cyali bonne bumwaka bwekiri bubere na 2025 bole bosio se chinsemechio nigo balenge amo nomo konyi mumuraibu nsomokoro omoske Fred Gashagwa na boigo omoske Kalonzo Musyoka egati ya barayi banda bange magaya yo mwancho murigereri ni gobanyaka bako bwatoka oroboti go cyase nyumba cyuburari atabanyaka bako mochia serikali anamono ko bwatekana amo no boiti obogenda tekwane kigwa gose obwanya tekabako ne kigwa ase abasae ba chance banyaka bako chererwa na boigo ko gendera gwa chererwa kwa abasae na abantu bali bakagere ngani go bakwamereria serikali ase chinjira ao na umonjo murigereri ya matayamo kurwa chinsemo chia keroka nigo ya nyarkabage kubwatuka okoboria kubwatekana amo no mwanchu abo asirieta Victoria Nyang'au uyo nyarkabage gutoka kabwate uburwere bwa cancer obwekire estate ya gatatu korengane ya mateyo nigo batumikire enibo yabo yonsi na bono nigo nyarkabage gustaba bonsi bali bwatuka niyo kujya konyarkabage bagwa esokia na kubasira elio umusubati Victoria anyarkabage konyora obobwenia roboti oru rwaliganirwa no mulikito Paul Cup Okara
ndwali yiga ya kansa nigo yagendera ko bagekobeke gose kenene ase yabekirwe ko ba endwali yowere kendege komi imeyen sengima nkwika gase kanyere kigagia kerora ekigiye gutokemeye wadi ya kemera ebunge yabo getutu bwa masaba asenga ya Tibis Kingoina ase to 18 mungino ya Victoria bunareri Nyang'au uyo kwerera enchira abereka konyoro muchando boborero bugabwa kanza ubu bwachageto umwaka kiri bibere na 2023
nabana kinete bija arenge bija mbata maisonsi katika bere kare na korete skuru gana nyomiru 2018 ngataga kurwari riso rikataga kubalira buna chigosore nyameju ikangya gukina ikachega ikira nyanja bagante basinyuru umuchando uyu bakandifa Kenyatta Nation kedane ka Kenyatta bagante yu umuchando uyu obeiro manene ego bidindu siweriso dindi affect eri karinde
nigo boigo ahirenga maiga yogo konorwa eliseriga nigo nendo muchando nde omubwata ase bigoti byaye asanyara ko bagakorengwa na konyoranga nigo abwate kanza iyo yaikire stage ya gatatu
nkaba karana rusiku nkabuga na bwenere andi kana kore metien saba andi ngata kurware bigoti nare gintu giatite buna chigosoria gatonoiga karenga gakera kinikero kugakuna ka ku move karenge mobile akanta kukakangya gukina ritanga nkabuga tonsils chiarenge kedana enda nyaktari nande general bakandifa Kenyatta kedana enda Kenyatta bagatemba ente nkora operation barusi nyamechi bono kwanchia beire chiare kororekana ibe bakarusi nyamechu tigapimu kechia pimo bakanyochi bwate kansa bakanteimbwente bono guchaka gukora rukemo na radio bono igaikumwa koyo iga febo bakanyora kansa eyo igasaine kwenda mono bakateya ikire stage 3
Nigento korengana muna Tibis King'oino yuru musachoye agendere koba gakwerera nga batumikire nibe nyinge weikanigo baonire pigipigi babwate yarenga gosemeria elio kumwira gochekigwa ase chinyagitari au
tumikire nibe nyinge paka naerewe ono naye ngosaba obokonyi bantu baminto bari bagwatokugania okuya banyara bagonkonya elinda nyare aende gari Kenyatta achoko radio na kemo
Nigento boigo abebuli baya muna bamate baenekirie na kugendera kuburia abali no moyo wancha abarayi wesona negati bunenchire yemo yokubatoria na kubanyolera ebisagwa ebyo biramukonye kugende clinic kera chingaki
Ninja bwata abana bake ntokunyarana nibendete yo tubwate utwasabira abantu bonsi batokonye osani baito bonsi batokonye basojo koboko
batokonye gaki elinda agendere gupimwa ebipimo bitigarete igakorangera gunyagitari onyoru kende nkeyo ekibabwate moibwete bao nirimba bwate kende muntu buna abamate twachire kobasira kanarie bono twanyorire nturi konyara bono ase yaikire twasabira obokonyi
Nogo semeria nigo yamategera tukanyara kabaga konyoro bokonyi ububuraye konye na borabo kulibali biboriro bwiga wagendere ko bokorete sosobembe imeyense eginko reporter getaseni kya obwanchete kya gatembe kurugige iga imeye kinyerekea gya kerora iwadire iga ya kemera ebunga yabo getutu amasabemeye county Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
na umwancho murigereri chingaki okungusana ko gante konekwa nene mono gati yeji bunge amone county ko mono higoro yobo wagi bwechibesa nigo abajumbe abasubati abale abagumanrep kosoma ikatamna abagumanrep awo saba bunge bechi county banyaka bali tukuliara bakwe munungani bosio obwe bunge chingaki banyaka bagota abuna nigo ikiganja kia NGAF gosengafu Kenya kabage kurwa chibesa gwetania chishiringi chimilioni chimisano igetwanya kabaga tani ko chikore malia obokore bwabo ate county chonsi emerongene na isano na ibere
are bleeding right now. All of them have been castrated with a blunt badizo. We usually think on our feet and ahead of the curve by planning. Everybody here plans. And when you plan and somebody comes and puts a hitch, then you have only theory with you, but no pragmatism. The women reps have been deducted 500 million. We do not know what to do, where to start, but we demand that that money must find its way back to the Ngaf kitty.
Honorable Speaker, I mentioned to you that you are a speaker worth being a speaker without any other ambition in 2027. Honorable Speaker, I want to say that even God himself saw when the man was lonely and clueless without a woman. Honorable Speaker, that is when Eve was given. In this country, we have fought for 2/3 gender rule. Honorable Speaker, I submit.
Honorable Speaker, I serve as the chairperson of the 47 county MPs, and it is my honor to actually take the House through where the women are dressed the way they are. They are dressed in pink and they are dressed in black. Black to mourn the deduction of their money, which I think was a great injustice to us and an injustice to the whole country. Honorable Speaker, pink stands for the color pink, which is for NGAF, the National Government Affirmative Action Fund. Honorable Speaker, you have told us we don't have to be loud, we can just speak softly and make our actions be heard. Honorable Speaker, we have been decent and polite for the last 2 years. It seems that has not worked for us. Honorable Speaker, this afternoon we are requesting you to humbly indulge us because we have decided we are going to now start using our legs. From here, we are exiting the chamber to the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, and then we go to the Treasury Office.
It is very well for us to appropriate the funds in this House. But the National Treasury can sabotage us by making sure there is no exchequer available. So you can appropriate all you want in this House. but the exchequer can be sabotaged at the National Treasury. So what we need to know is that we must use our opportunity on Wednesdays when we can call the Cabinet Secretary. Let the Cabinet Secretary confirm to us that whatever we appropriate in this House must have the corresponding exchequer provided.
Mwanjumo rigereri gwikira gwe tokanda sensema ya kabere studio tonyara kaba tokonyora enkwana yeri tuko kurinde tutaraenda abo kukomanya tuwa abagani bane baikire me studio kurwa State University ya Turkana na tatungere the grade of ngochi baranga was the grade of education go senebire university all the way koru Turkana ele banya ko bagostonya ko batokorigereria ko bamono igoro ye university ya Turkana obokorere bwaye na boigo chinjira aho eli ya nyarka bagose ko nyarka bage kuro obokorere bwaye gochie estaboro kigwa nonye ne community eli a sere chinseme chio chia Turkana gonyera tu nigotole na Ruth Kemunto oyure omorkigwa a se university yo dole amona bakoreria se university UP Trisimburi na boigo Darius Bosire kuno baroche sensemo ya kabere ye studio tanda sensemo ya kabere studio tonyore ngwane yeri tuko togeran togendre.
It is not black.
This one is Ngaf color. Ngaf color. I can define the rest, which we are in black, Mr. Speaker. Everything is black. We are mournful. We are mournful. Mr. Speaker, we are mournful. Women, we are miserable. Women, we are malcontent. Women, we are dissatisfied, Mr. Speaker. Women, we are aggrieved. We are not happy. You know very well our men in the house. When you come home and you find us your wives, you tell us, Mama, bring. We bring. Mama, give. We give. We have never denied.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom ya itonigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende kensi uraganie bago tebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
amona mabaki.
Mwanju muligereri karibu na ndesense mega ya kabere tonyara kabata kugendera ne kionga chinsa ibere ditukeli mo lyoka magiga y'abantu batano mo goitwa na gosiria amagema abo achinse mo chiangata barikoi ime county ya Naroko nigo muasiri bo burindi bwa ime musike Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen anyaka baga kuikeria kore ikyo na kwaneke buna nige gatambukira kiraje ko mukoria gogesikiraje ko mukeligwa bali bonsi baranyaka bagotoka babunete lichiko ase okungusana nokwo gwechindemero achinse mechio demere yo nigo yanyaka bakareta okungusana na ogotindi ase bono itukuri goro okungusana kwanyaka kwaneke kugatia abanyanyimbo amana abanyamchinse mechio asaba ntabange batiga chingo machintindi nabo igo batano mo kwaneke gwagosiria amagimabo.
Very sad occurrence for us in the national security team. We feel very sad because our duty is to make sure that lives are protected and land issues can easily be resolved peacefully. It shouldn't be really lead to any loss of life. Investigations are not yet done or even complete, because we need to establish the circumstances under which the 5 civilians died, and if as has been suspected that police officers were involved, what was the circumstance that the police officers engaged the civilians, and whether the situation it was warranted that kind of force, and therefore the investigations will determine whether there is excess use of force, and if there was excess use of force, who was responsible. The also investigation will establish whether the persons who perpetrated these acts against also the police officers, what was their motive and why did they do it and who are they. So on both sides we are going to do thorough investigations. We are also going to deal with every
na gukorera asense mego mwanchu muligereri nigo omo nene bwaba kuri miro serikali go said of public service Felix Kosigei agendrete nege kargose agend akora igikaro na bokuri miro serikali esanyara kabaga ko barua gakurwa bosemia gochia sebale kogendra okora emiremo ase oboene na gwanjire konde gwense kutayo omwege kalekyo nigo gekiranwa na bokuri miro serikali ase birengo bakoragwa amo na uyo monene abo bokoreri mo sike Felix Kosigei aboigo omurikyo monene gosomurikyo botambe bwisara yoborendi bwime Dr. Raymond Omoro.
Kenya's regulatory landscape was marred by fragmentation, overlapping mandates, and widespread capacity deficits, symptoms that diminish investor confidence, corrode public trust, and obstruct our collective developmental goals.
Then the issue of overlap, what the counties are responsible for vis-a-vis what the national government is, and then the different regulators who are probably having cross-cutting responsibilities. And I would give a very good example of an experience that we are currently dealing with. Kenya Bureau of Standards, Anti-Counterfeit Authority, and then you also have the consumer protection agencies, where you find some entities have given themselves the responsibility that is either meant for the Anti-Counterfeit Authority or Kenya Bureau of Standards. Interestingly, they are backed by our laws. You find they've
Mwanju muligerera na atiga gotebia ni gonde na babwatani korwa ase sukuru gose University ya Turkana abagweka ime studios to kanya goto kuligereria obokoreri ase University yo ya Turkana ase okoboko kuane wokorio the far right ni gakorekana amte kororekana agora kwa Ruth Gamundo na Ruth Kamunto Mogeni uyoro mworoke wa ase University ya Turkana ase gatiali ni gakoro kwa Patrice Mbori aratare mogani ase getaseni kegia gatembe umwako etango rengi angemetie nyino ani komi yetire gochi abuntu arenge na rega iga nabo igonto bwate Darius Bosire abuto gochi konyara kabato kurigereria century mu gose yende obokoreri boli bakwane kigwa ase University ya Turkana na igo ende abange bali mutambayitinga University ya Turkana na bo bakonyara bagabote nganero na ande jire kyora nyaka bogoika ase University ya Igo tonyara kabago gosuka go chiaro mwanchu murigereri encheni ngoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri kuronse matranmo nyigale kalfi ngagoro Kevin Ongeri kwera nutolesegeka ege kaigo totuko chiaro